Ren.
Okay.
Hello, Ren. How are you, Ren? Ren.
Oh. Ready?
Oh.
Welcome to Seasparkle's Corner. Today we're going to do a dessert that I just invented recently. So there's going to be 5 of us having the dessert. So that's 5 cups. Alright, we're going to start with chocolate pudding. We're going to put it on the bottom of the dessert cups. Using a large tablespoon, we're just going to put it on the bottom of each cup. This is regular chocolate pudding. You need to start all this stuff early in the day so it gets chilled, and you're going to see why. See, chocolate. Oh. I just like chocolate pudding. I could sit with a spoon and just eat the whole thing. Alright, and I'm going to put that right back in the fridge. Okay. Now, this is raspberry gelatin. That's why I said started early in the day. And it's already solid. This is what is called a cookie scoop. It's really little. So, we're going to make, well, actually it's a melon baller. We're going to put melon ball sized chunks of that in there. Alright. And look how, see how pretty that's starting to look? Okay. Now, if you want to make it bigger, you know, just use a bigger dessert cup. But we got such a big meal coming that I'm just making a small dessert. Okay. I've been thinking about this dish for weeks now.
Hello, Ren.
Okay, so there's that. I'm going to put this raspberry gelatin. Now, if you want to use sugar-free, feel free to use sugar-free.
Hi, Ren.
Yeah. Now, this is vanilla pudding. See why I said start early in the day? Take another tablespoon and put a layer of vanilla pudding on the top. Okay, so just make this according to the package directions. That's, you know, I suggest. And make sure you've got enough room in your refrigerator for all this stuff. Yep. And I got a feeling when you eat one, you're going to want another one.
Ren said he'll have a double.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. And if you cover your pudding, you don't get the pudding skin. But then again, some people like the pudding skin. So, now we're going to take your favorite, use your favorite, I'm not suggesting any brand, so just use your favorite brand. You know, buy your favorite brand of pudding, buy your favorite brand of gelatin, and Cool Whip. Okay. Now, take a dollop of Cool Whip and put it on the top. And then, you see, I'll cover these up in the refrigerator till we're ready for desserts. A dollop of Cool Whip. Now, terrible, I'm tasting everything because everything's so good. Alright, next, gonna finish it off. Alright, now, I have candy canes left over, but you can use chocolate bits or something. And Doris put this in a sandwich bag and used a
Rolling pin.
rolling pin and crushed it. So I'm going to take put some of the candy canes right on top. For eye candy. All right. And there you have it. Let me wash my hands. Okay. And there you have it. I'm not going to taste test it because it's for dessert and I did make an extra one. But you know it's beautiful. It's all your favorite things. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm not sure what to call it.
3-in-1 dessert.
There's 4 things, 5 things. But there it is, beautiful. And I hope you enjoy it. And as always, the fun never ends in seasparkle's corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. What do you think of it, Doris?
I think it's pretty.
Yes. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.